So, blah, 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 blah. What's up, everybody? Oh, this is the kind of day that would make you want to hate fishing. Jeffrey just said he hates it now. So it was a mixed bag today. I know you haven't seen the video yet, but I'm going to show you. So come here, Jeff.
Back in the spotlight again.
We've been out here since early this morning, and we're toasted. We're out in Ruddock, Louisiana, at one of these culverts here off on.
What is this? 51?
55. 55. Like so we kayaked around looking for bowfin. Couldn't find them. Tried for everything else. Caught some fish. Oh, but what's up is this is one of those beautiful days right after a bunch of bad weather days. So the fish weren't into it, but we caught some. Here they are.
They were still asleep.
All right, up the cut. At this point, I just want to catch a fish. Wow. Got something. Look at that. I caught myself a goggle eye on a piece of cut bait. Nice. Go back over there. Ooh, look at that gar. Little tiny thing. Here we go. Look at this. I'm catching fish over here, son. Little catfish. Mullet everywhere. Look at the mullet, man. Woo! It's the most fish I've seen all day. Oh, that water feels good.
Are you doing the outro now?
Pretty place, huh?
Yeah.
Glad you enjoyed the sights and sounds and the very little fish that we caught.
Right. Small fish.
Yeah. There's actually more fish here at this culvert than I've seen all day. So, all right. It's a good place to come check out.
Yeah, it was a nice paddle.
Yeah.
See a lot of sights. So what?
We'll
Alligators and wildlife. All kind of stuff.
Stretch my legs now.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Yeah, that's my problem.